Best fire blankets for every home and office. Having a fire blanket on hand provides peace of mind and extra protection. It's important to know how to use them effectively. List number 1. I-43 an emergency fire blanket, 3-pack fire suppression blanket for kitchen home. Keep your loved ones safe with the I-43 an emergency fire blanket. Perfect for kitchens, fireplaces, and grills. This pack includes 3 fire suppression blankets for reliable protection. Comes with 3 pairs of gloves for extra safety. Easy to use and store, offering peace of mind at home or office. Durable materials ensure long-lasting safety in emergencies. Advantages. Safety first with Zyagi fire blankets. They protect against fire hazards. Keep homes and offices secure from unexpected fires. Versatile use enhances kitchen safety. Perfect for home, fireplace, and grill. Essential in any cooking space. List number 2. Lovelin Emergency Fire Blanket, 2-pack. Stay prepared with the Lovelin Emergency Fire Blanket. Perfect for kitchens, it measures 40 inches by 40 inches. Designed for home safety. The white fiberglass material is durable and effective. Comes in a convenient 2-pack for extra peace of mind. A smart addition to any household safety kit. Advantages. Quickly extinguish small fires with effective fire suppression blankets. Fiberglass material resists high temperatures and burns safely. List number 3. V2-pack emergency fire blanket. Perfect for every household, the Hopa V2-pack emergency fire blanket offers essential safety. Measuring 40 inches by 40 inches, these flame-resistant blankets are ideal for kitchens and homes. Versatile in nature, they're suitable for camping, barbecues, picnics, and even car emergencies. Keeping them nearby ensures preparedness during unexpected fires. Ideal for fireplaces and warehouses too, ensuring peace of mind. A must-have safety tool for every emergency kit. Advantages. Perfect for emergencies, the Hopa V fire blanket offers peace of mind. It quickly smothers flames, stopping fires before they grow. The blanket's compact size fits easily in small spaces. Lightweight design ensures easy handling during emergencies. Great for home, kitchen, camping, and more. List number 4. Polaris Heavy-Duty Emergency Fire Blanket. Protect your home and loved ones with the Vita Polaris Heavy-Duty Emergency Fire Blanket. Designed for various environments, it offers reliable fire suppression. Made from fireproof fiberglass, it withstands high temperatures. Ideal for kitchens, cars, and camping. This 2-pack ensures you have coverage in multiple areas. Stay prepared for emergencies with this essential fire safety tool. Advantages. Vita Polaris offers reliable protection against unexpected fires. This heavy-duty emergency fire blanket helps prevent fires from spreading quickly. Designed for home, kitchen, and other spaces like cars and campsites, this blanket ensures safety is a priority. List number 5. BXFRAE Fire Blanket for Home and Kitchen. Discover peace of mind with the BXFRAE Fire Blanket, perfect for home and kitchen safety. Made from durable fiberglass, these blankets effectively suppress small fires. They are easy to use and store, ensuring quick access during emergencies. Each pack includes 2 40x40 blankets, providing reliable protection. Ideal for survival situations, offering a practical safety solution. Keep your loved ones safe and secure with this essential emergency cover. Advantages. Fire safety is crucial for every home. BXFRAE Fire Blanket offers peace of mind.